Heyo! Today we continue to explore the Azores, this time on Sao Miguel in search of a waterfall on the Salto Do Prego trail. On this hike, you will go through lush green mountainsides on your way to the Salto Do Prego waterfall. You will also pass through the Sanguinho village, where you can recharge with a coffee, tea, or a beer, and some snacks at the quaint village cafe. This is typically a 2.5-mile trail with about 670 feet of elevation gain, with an awesome waterfall and swimming hole at the halfway point, and a cafe bar towards the end if you go counterclockwise. But because we're weirdos, we went clockwise to knock out the big climb earlier on. Keep in mind this is a steep climb, but you are rewarded with some great views of the storybook town of Salto Do Prego below, where one can admire the view and not feel so guilty for needing extra breaks. Despite being a half mile into the hike, the cafe/bar was very much welcome this early on in the hike after that climb. After our pre-après, we enjoyed walking through the Sanguinho village for its rustic feel, and Dana also noted how it reminded her of walking the Camino with the mixture of old towns and villages along the way. After leaving the village, we were back into the tropical forest, headed towards the waterfall with about a mile to go. Today was typical island weather, overcast but warm temperatures in the 70s with a mixture of scattered showers, and the rain definitely helped us cool off. Don't forget to be kind to the local trail chickens. Keep in mind this is a popular hike, so you'll definitely see plenty of people on trail. I thought it was great to see people of all ages and hiking abilities on trail to make their way to the waterfall. The waterfall itself was great and definitely the place to be. I would have jumped in myself if it wasn't so crowded, but that's just me. Most of the congestion on trail was closer to the waterfall, and then of course let's not forget the locals on their morning commute. The way down was nice and easy with a mellow incline, which is why we chose the clockwise route. Before we knew it, we were back in Salto Do Prego. If you ever find yourself on Sao Miguel in the Azores, make sure you check out the Salto Do Prego hike. Thanks for watching, hit that like and subscribe for more hiking content. We'll see you on trail next time. Until then, get outside and take a hike.